Hi mga kamiyaw meow! Welcome back to my channel. I'm your Chef Meow, #Filingerang Pusa. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, please click this and don't forget the bell button para updated ka. So, finally we shoot here outside. I will not tell where I am. Later, I will show you the market where I will buy some ingredients for my next ECQ recipe. So guys, gaya ng sabi ko, what is available to your house, yun ang gagamitin natin. Now I have this papaya, chicken, and malunggay. I know you have an idea how to cook. So, just wait in 1, 2.
Like the kitty in the house, we sing no 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 no. Like the cutie on the prowl, come on no 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 no. Like my heart is beating out, fascination of your smile. Whatever you do, like to know no no.
So guys, ito na yung mga pinamili natin. First thing to do is to put a cooking oil. Hayaan lang nating uminit ang oil bago natin ilagay ang ginger. So, igisa lang natin yan. Next to ginger is the onion. Sobra iyak ko niyan ko habang hinihiwa. Hintayin lang natin hanggang sa maging translucent. And next na natin yung garlic. Then, igisa natin mabuti. Once na magisa na natin siya ng mabuti, pwede na natin ilagay ang chicken. So, yan ay 1 whole chicken. Cut into many pieces. Haha. Then, isang kutsa lang natin siya. Lagyan ng salt and pepper. Nakikita nyo ba? Hindi makita yan. Salt yan. Then, next is yung pepper. Okay. Since mahilig sa maanghang, pwedeng damihan ng pepper. Ngayon, haluin mabuti. I don't know kung alam niyo yung word na sangkot siya, but that's it. Sinangkot siya muna. Then, nilagyan ko siya ng chili paste. Sana dinamihan ko pa para sobrang anghang. Pero that one is enough. Sobra maanghang na yan. So, haluin lang natin siya para manuot sa manok. So, lagyan natin ng 2 cups of water. 1. Then, yan yung ika-second. After that, takpan lang muna. Hayaan natin kumulo. At ayan, pag kumukulo na, lagyan na natin yung nor cubes. Two cubes ang ginamit ko. So, hayaan lang natin siyang matunaw. Haluin ulit. And then, next natin, pag sobrang malambot na yung manok ha, saka pa lang natin ilalagay yung papaya. So, may magre-react kasi hinog yung papayang nilagay ko. Next natin yung malunggay. Ganda niya. Ayan, malapit na siyang maluto. So, pwede siyang haluin, ano? So, yung tinolang manok, ayan na. So, hintayin lang natin siya kumulo ng kumulo hanggang sa luto na yung manok, malambot na yung papaya. And that's it.